A 5th century painting buried in the heart of Maharashtra's Ajanta caves has set sail again, not as legend but as a living vessel. The Indian Navy has inducted INSV Kaundinya, a traditionally built, stitched ship inspired by an ancient merchant vessel depicted in cave number 17. Experts from the Archaeological Survey of India confirm that the artwork shows a merchant ship revealing India's vibrant maritime trade routes during the 5th century. Art historian Saili Palandedatta links the scene to the Purna Avadana from Buddhist literature, where a ship is attacked mid-voyage by a yaksha named Maheshwar. The painting is considered one of the oldest surviving visual records of sea trade. Named after the legendary mariner Kaundinya, who is believed to have voyaged across the Indian Ocean to Southeast Asia, INSV Kaundinya is more than a vessel. It's a revival of India's ancient seafaring wisdom stitched together with tradition and pride. The late historian Walter Spink noted that the cave's excavation was sponsored by Upendra Gupta, a 5th century feudatory of Ajanta, before it was halted in 471 CE after a defeat. Today, that lost moment of history resurfaces in full sail through engineering, archaeology, and a striking cultural resurrection.